Welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how to save money. How to stick to a monthly spending plan is a question that I frequently get. You have decided to save money, but now you need to know how to accomplish it. In order to ensure that you keep to your spending plan, there are a few important things you need to do. In this video, we will discuss what those things are. When you have a budget, you are less likely to buy on impulse or spend money on things you don't need. Another advantage of having a monthly spending plan is that it might assist you in maintaining your focus on your financial objectives. A spending plan helps keep you focused and prevent you from overspending elsewhere if, for instance, your objective is to save money for a down payment on a house. Knowing where your money is going each month can make it simpler to unwind and stop worrying about whether you can afford to pay for everything. How to make a budget for each month. Determine your income first. This is the first stage since it's crucial to know how much money you earn each month before you begin budgeting. Be sure to take any irregular revenue, such as bonuses or commissions, into account. You may do this by using cash envelope budgeting at mint.com, or by just writing down every penny you spend in a notebook. Third, establish categories for your expenses. Making a budget will be simpler once you have an understanding of where your money is going. Housing, food, and other expenses are typical. Debt repayment and savings for transportation utilities. Your financial needs are determined by investments. Being realistic about what you can spend in each category is vital, because this will vary depending on your income and lifestyle. The 50-30-20 rule is a useful generalization. You spend 50% of your money on necessities like food and housing. 30% goes to luxuries, like entertainment and vacation, while 20% goes to savings. If you go over budget for a month, don't give up on your spending plan. Instead, get back on track for the following month. Once you're back on track, identify where you went over budget and make changes to prevent it from happening again. Review your spending plan and make any necessary adjustments to keep it reasonable. A monthly spending plan is just a budget that you adhere to each month. It can help you keep track of your earnings and outgoings to ensure that you are not spending more than you are taking in.